Alright, I've got your plan open in X13. This is the trial. And let's see if we can find your line. Looks like there it is. Go up to the second floor. And let's see. Like your default ceiling is 89, so let's see. 89. 89. Inch and a half. So I'm going to set this to the default. And let's take a look. And let's go back up to this second, or the attic. I'm guessing that that wall right there is not needed. You can probably set the ceiling height over here just enough to get that line to go away. It doesn't need to be, you know, the full 89 inches. You can probably set it to, I don't know, 60 or whatever it would take to get it, but that's just a guess.